Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning typing autocorrect on and off on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Time and Language from the left sidebar. From there, select Typing. In Typing Settings, you'll see the option called AutoCorrect Misspelled Words. You can use the toggle to enable or disable that feature. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.